Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can get the Hound pet in Hypixel Skyblock. And before we get into how to obtain the actual Hound pet, I'm just gonna warn you that this is going to be an insane grind for you if you're an Iron Man profile. So in reality there's two ways to get the Hound pet in Hypixel Skyblock. The first way is if you can get lucky and go into the auction house and find one for sale. And just quickly show you. Just go up here and click on one of the auction agents, like so, and click auction browse. And as you can see here, I have the lowest price and the buy it now only. And as you can see, a level 1 epic Hound is currently 1 million coins. So it's relatively cheap for you to get. The second way is for Iron Man profiles, or if you just like to grind for your stuff. And that is by either going to the ruins or the howling cave. And in here you'll need to slay wolves, and then there's a slight possibility that a Hound pet will drop as a rare drop. So let's talk about the chances of getting an epic and a legendary Hound pet. So by getting a legendary or epic rarity Hound pet is roughly 1 out of 100,000 or 0.001% chance per wolf to get this item. And as a legendary, you need to kill roughly 1 out of 333,333 wolves, or 0.003% per wolf. And this is only if you haven't any magic find or pet luck. So let's say you have 100 magic find and 60 pet luck. Your chances will slightly increase. With an epic Hound, a pet is roughly 1 in 31,250 per wolf. And a legendary Hound pet will be 1 out of 104,167. So if you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!